Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you came to visit me today. I just want to get on here and welcome everyone for stepping in the door to come see me. Today, we are going to be working on a little project. And the project is we're going to work on a birdhouse. We're going to decorate it and make it look really good and really nice. Kind of put little diamonds and stuff on it. We're going to make it look really good for the holiday. What y'all think? You think we can bling it out a little bit there? All right, we're going to see. First, we're going to need us some wood sticks. That's number one. See? Going to need some wood sticks. Oh, they're falling out. We're going to need some wood sticks, as you can see. We're going to need us some diamonds, as we can see there. We also going to need us some decorated filler. Now you might say, wait a minute, why we need some decorated filler to go on a birdhouse? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put the decorated filler around here. It's going to make it look really nice. What you guys think? We also going to need some glue. Any kind of glue that you can use is good, just to put on there. You're going to also need some scissors. That's number one. Got to have some scissors so you can cut your wood. You might say, wait a minute, how you going to cut wood with scissors? Well, you know what? I'm about to show you guys. I'm going to take you down and I'm about to show you what I can do. All right, here we go. First, I tried E6000. I was just trying to see which one would stick. So I was trying this, and so far so good. It did stick to the other wood stick. I used some adhesive glue. I'm sorry, guys. And also, it stuck together. I used me some crazy glue, and it stuck together. But we're trying to find out which one would stick better. Which one you guys think? Do you think the E6000? Do you think the adhesive glue will work? Or do you think the crazy glue will work? You guys can let me know at the end of the comments when you do comment. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and try to get started here. I'm going to move everything out of the way. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and use my crazy glue. I think crazy glue will do better on here. What you guys think? Let's see though. First, we're going to go ahead and we're going to line it up and we're going to measure it out. And so how we're going to measure it out is we're going to take our wood stick and we're going to place it on here on the birdhouse. See how that go? See how that is? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip it off of there. Snip it. Ooh, I'm going to snip it. You see how that went? See? And that's how I'm going to do it. But I want you guys to know that I chose this color. It's because I love this color, green. For the holiday, it blends in really well with, different colors, in your home. It makes things just so bright. So what you guys think? Let me know. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started here. All right. I got my crazy glue here. And I want to go ahead and get started. Let's see if it'll work. If not, then we'll go to the E6000. See? We're going to see if it's going to work on here. Okay, guys. Getting started here. You think I should put it this way, guys? Or should I turn it around and do it this way? What you guys think? I think we should do it this way. What you guys think? Okay, let's see. Put a little glue on it. Let's see how it's going to work out. Let's see if it's going to stick. You guys tell me. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Let's see if it'll work. Ta-da! What you guys think? Ha. Okay. We're going to do the next one. And also, I had already done some before I got on camera. I cut some of them out. So, let's see. Let's see if the E6000 going to work just as well. Let's try something new. Let's try it. Let's see this. Okay? Gonna see which one. I believe the crazy glue is the one that's gonna stick better. What you guys think? Let's see. Okay. So we is putting this on there. There it is. Okay. Now we're gonna try the adhesive. Let's try this glue. See if this gonna work out. I think pretty much all of them will work, but we just gonna try. Tongue tied. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze just a little bit on here if it come out. Let's see. I don't want to come out of here, huh? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, y'all guys. Let's check it out. Let's see if it come out. Look like it don't want to come out of there, huh? Let's try something here. I'm not gonna let nothing outdo me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Step to the side. As you can tell, I done used it all up. Here it comes. There it go. So let's see if this will work as good as the crazy glue and a E6000. I'm placing it on there. What you guys think? Voila, there it is. Well, it looks like to me all of them working. So therefore you could use any kind of glue that you would like to do your wood, you know, just to stick it on there wood to wood and just press down on them just like that. I'm going to press down really well on them. Stick together there. Okay. So far, so good. What you guys think? Let's see. There it is. And it doesn't matter how you put them on there. You know, as long as you cut them, it's like I showed you guys how I cutted it. You see? I think I am going to use glue. So let's try the E6000. Let's see here. I'm trying to E6000, guys. Let's see how that works out. And you want it as close as possible. That's how you want it to go. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need one more. And you can use any color, you know, any color that you would like. It don't have to be you know, same color I'm using. See there? I'll make sure they lined up there. And you want to go on the other side and do the same thing. You want to line them up. You know, E6000 works on just about anything. As you can see, I didn't use mine all up, my E6000. Yep, and there it is. You want to go on both sides. I'm just going to use my E6000, guys. E6000, as you can see, I done used it up just about all of it. That one seemed like it's a little shorter than others, huh? Do seem kind of short on it. Okay. Okay. And that's how you would do that. Just want to make them close enough. No, I got something for the top anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to put a little something on top of it. Yeah, so my glue. Here's at the top. Make sure they're even on both sides. And then you know what? I think that with the E6000, you can adjust your wood. Okay. Suppose that you putting on your crazy glue and your crazy glue sticking right away. You can kind of adjust this, you know. That's how you want to do it. See how I get to adjust it the way I want to? I want to scoot it over some, I can scoot it over some. I want to scoot it back, I can. But with crazy glue, it'll just stick right on there. So if you ask me, I would just vote for the E6000 because you're able to move it around the way you would want to place it. See how I'm adjusting it? Yeah, so I'm gonna basically just go ahead and finish up with this right here. And I think I'm gonna adjust all of them. See guys? And I do want to try to use and lay it to the side. I'm gonna try to use my crazy glue and let's see how that'll work. I'm just hoping that it do work. I'm gonna sit this on top. See how I did that, guys? And let's see, and go to the next one. You just only want to put a little bit on there, you know, not a lot, but you want to put a little bit so it can stick. You want it to stick. And you know, and why I choose this because I think that it'll come out really nice. See how that's sticking on there, guys? And I'm using my crazy glue here. Like I said, you can use anything that you would like on here. You know, E6000 will do it too. I'm just hoping that it will stick on here. Just press it down just a little bit. That's all you need. And y'all stay tuned for some more of my videos because I will be putting many of them out there for y'all guys to see. So guys, how y'all week been so far? What y'all doing this weekend? And this is just something quick that you can do. You can even do this with your kids. You know, they love stuff like this anyway. Just put it on there. See? You're going to go all around it, all the way across it. And that's just enough on there. You can put this in your office. You could put it in your bedroom. You could put it in the living room. You could put it on your table. Wherever you prefer to put it. You know, and it's, you can also give them to a friend or family for a little gift. See? Turn around. You're going to do exactly the same thing. Put a little bit on here. I decided to do that. Because, you know, and why I'm doing that is so I can fill in the gaps down here where I didn't put enough of my wood there. So I decided I want to just go ahead and do it like this. What you guys think? Think it'll do better like that? That's just to have the bottom piece of it. Because it just didn't sit well with me to just have that out like that. So I'm just going to fill in there. Fill them on in. And that's what I'm going to do. Take a little bit. Put it on here. I'm going ahead and fill them in. What you guys think? Be better like that? I think so. I already put them on the side right here. I put them on the side right there. Guys like it so far? Put them on the side. So that to make it a little bit better. What you guys think? Any kind of glue, like I say, any kind of glue is a do. I'll put a little bit of glue on it so it can stay in place. Hands are sticky. And yes, you're going to get a lot of glue on your hands. So you want to place it on there. See how I'm sticking it on there? Put my diamonds right there. You want to go all the way around. That's how you want it to go. All the way around that hole. All around this hole you want it to go. Okay. Okay. Put a little bit more on there. You want to stick it on there. That's the way you want to do it. And there it is. See? And you know, guys, you can also add some things inside of it. You could put a little bird in there. You could put just about anything that you would like to put in there. For me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these lights in there. These are the lights that you can get. Pretty much go to Michael's, or I don't know. Maybe you can go to the dollar store and maybe get some, but hey, it's worth it. You could try it. Try Michael's. If they don't have any Michael's, try the dollar store. No, it's been so long for me, so I don't quite remember, but I know I might have picked these up from maybe the dollar store. You just want to stick them in there like that. You want to cut them out. So guys, I hope you guys like it. And I even put the little diamonds on top here, on top of here. So here it is. Voila. And you could either put, a little bit of glue on the back side here to hold it down and everything. But other than that, we are very complete here. Do you guys like it? Let me know. Okay. Talk to you soon.